Hello everyone, my name is Arohi and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we are going to talk about a term which is becoming very popular in AI world, and it is known as harness engineering. And I'll explain you everything with very simple examples, and by the end of this video you will understand what is harness, what is agentic harness, or what is agent harness, or what is harness engineering, why it matters, and how it helps us build real world AI applications. So let's get started. So, to understand the concept of agentic harness or harness, let's first break an AI application into two parts. First part is LLM, and the second part is application layer. LLM stands for large language models, and we use LLM in our AI apps because they give our applications the ability to understand and generate human language, and that is how our AI apps interact naturally with the users. And GPT-5, Claude Sonnet, or Claude Opus, Gemini, Llama, they all are examples of LLM. We know that LLMs are powerful, but LLMs alone are not that useful when we want to solve real world user problems. So we built an application layer around the LLMs. And this application layer can include tools, RAG, memory, or workflow, databases, permissions, human approvals, guardrails. Okay, everything can be the part of this application layer. And this surrounding system is often known as harness. And in simple terms, we can say that harness is the runtime and control layer which is built around an LLM and that connects model to tools, data, workflows, and user, and it enable it to perform real world tasks. So the model means the LLM provides intelligence, and harness make that intelligence useful or controllable and production ready. And this is how powerful LLMs are transformed into a practical and complete AI product that people can actually use. And guys, mostly AI startups today, they are doing exactly this only. They are not training GPT sized models themselves from scratch. They just use pre trained LLM and they build harness around them to solve specific business problem. Let's take OpenAI as an example. So GPT-5 is the LLM and Chat GPT is the product which is built around it, right? So ChatGPT provide user interface, memory, tools, and other capabilities that allow people to interact with GPT-5 LLM and use it to solve real world tasks. So ChatGPT act as a harness that turns this powerful engine into a complete AI product. Now let's take another example. So suppose we are building a travel planning AI application. So whenever we build application, first we will choose one LLM. We can choose any LLM. So for example, GPT, Claude, Gemini, Llama, you can pick one LLM. Now, next step is we will add tools that allow our application to search for flights or hotels or other travel information. And we can also use one agentic AI framework to define and manage workflows. And then we can use MCP servers to connect with external systems or services. We can add guardrails for safety, or we can use human approvals for critical actions. We can use memory for context, and we can have a user interface for users. So, suppose we want to build an app and we need all these features which I've just told you in our app. So, all of these components together form a harness around the LLM. Okay, you can see here. See, around this LLM, the LLM which you will choose for your AI app, around that LLM, what we want to do, we want to form a harness. So look here, suppose GPT-5 is the LLM which you are using for your travel planning app. Now, around this LLM, we want to form a harness, and these are the components which are forming harness around this GPT-5 so that we can transform this powerful LLM into a complete AI product. So, harness is the system that connect everything together and makes the model usable, reliable, and production ready. Now you know what is harness. Let's see what is harness engineering. Harness engineering is the process of designing, building, testing, and operating this layer so that LLM becomes a reliable and useful product. Now we understood what harness is and what harness engineering is. Now let's see what is agent harness. So before understanding agent harness, let's first see what is agent. So in simple terms, we can say that agent means one LLM. That LLM can use tools and it has ability to reason and take actions. So all these three things together form a agent. So this is what agent is. Let's understand this with example. So for example, let's say user asked find the cheapest flight to Dubai. Now normal chatbot it will simply provide suggestions, right? But agent can actually perform actions. It can search flights using APIs, it can compare prices, it can check dates, it can evaluate different options, and then it will return the best recommendation. And this is very different from simple question answering. So now we know what is agent. Agent will actually give you the output instead of just giving you suggestion. It will actually fetch the data from internet through APIs, or it will use different services and it will take actions. It has ability to reason and it will use different tools and it will use LLM and it will provide the useful answer to user. Okay, now we know what is agent. Now let's understand what is agent harness. So we will understand this with example. So let's say we have one LLM. So for example, let's say we have GPT-5 LLM. And if we ask GPT-5 what is the capital of India, so this LLM, this GPT-5 can easily answer the question because LLMs are excellent at generating text. But can this LLM by itself open a browser or search the web or access your files or execute shell commands, or can it maintain a to-do list for you, or can it perform a 20-step task for you, or can it ask you for approval before taking any risky action? It cannot do all these things itself. So to do these things we need additional software around LLM. So this surrounding runtime is called harness. And when this harness enables the model or LLM to plan, use tools, take action, or work towards a goal, when this happen, it is referred as an agent harness or agentic harness. Agent harness means turning a smart model into a system that can actually perform tasks. Let's talk about real world examples. So, Claude Code and OpenAI Codex are two great examples of agentic harness. Let's take Claude Code as an example. So, Claude Sonnet by itself is just a LLM. But when Anthropic adds terminal access or file editing, search, memory option, planning, or tool calling around that LLM, it becomes Claude Code. And in the same way, OpenAI Codex work. So when OpenAI combines the GPT-5 LLM with the capabilities such as file access, terminal access, execution loop, planning, and tool calling, it becomes Codex, which helps us in coding. So Claude Code and Codex, they are not just LLMs, they are complete agentic AI systems which are built around LLMs. So to summarize, harness is the runtime and control layer which is built around the LLM. And an agent is an LLM that can reason, that can use tool and can take actions. And agent harness or agentic harness is the infrastructure that turns a raw LLM into a autonomous or semi autonomous agent. And the model or LLM, they provide intelligence, and harness makes the intelligence useful. And harness engineering is the discipline of designing and building that layer around the model so that it becomes reliable, safe, and production ready AI system.